Hello traders, welcome to the daily technical forex report for the 31st of January. My name is Andriy Shanetsky. I am a technical analyst at rforex.com, and as usual, we start our report with the Euro-USD currency pair. The price demonstrated a huge growth supported by the large volume. Unfortunately, the volume was evenly spread throughout this movement, therefore we can't point out any new volume level as on. Nevertheless, it is a great bullish signal, so now we should consider exceptionally long positions. However, we can enter the market after a smooth downward correction. In order to get an acceptable entry point, a stop loss should be placed below the beginning of this abrupt rise and a potential of the deal. Our first target is the level 1.1585. So with the euro, long positions should be in priority. The pound. The pair didn't show any significant moves yesterday and is still located above the level of support 1.3069, 1.3102. This level contains the large volume, therefore until its breakout, we still should give preference to long positions. But we can enter the market only after resumption of the sharp surge supported by the large volume, which will be a more reliable signal for entering the market. A stop loss should be placed below the level of support, and the potential of the deal is more than 120 pips. So with the pound, long positions should be in priority. The yen. The price showed a keen fall supported by the large volume and broke down the previous level of support, which is a great bearish signal. Besides it, we need to point out the new volume level of resistance 109.64, 109.73. So taking into account all these factors, we should consider exceptionally short positions. However, we can enter the market and open sales after a smooth upward correction in order to obtain an acceptable entry point. A stop loss should be located above the level of resistance, and the potential of the deal is more than 100 points. So with the yen, short positions after a slight upward correction of the pair. The Canadian dollar. The price also fell down sharply yesterday. The fall was on the large volume, but the movement was stopped by the formation of the new support 1.3118. Nevertheless, the price is located near this mark at the moment, and given the sharp drop, we can consider a scenario of the breakdown of this level, which will be a great signal for opening short positions. The thing must be supported by the large volume, which will show us against the false breakdown. A stop loss should be located above the breakdown volume bar, and the potential of the deal is more than 100 points. So with the Canadian dollar, sales after the sharp breakdown of the new level of support. The Australian dollar. The price demonstrated an abrupt rise and now is testing the new volume level of resistance 0.7270. Given this fact and the growth of the price on the large volume, we can regard a scenario of its breakout, which will allow us to open long positions. The rise of the pair must be confident and supported by the large volume, which will be a more reliable signal for entering the market. A stop loss should be located below the breakout volume bar, and the potential of the deal is around 130 pips. So with the Australian dollar, long positions after the confident and abrupt breakout of the level of resistance. And our last instrument for today is gold. The price indicated a huge growth supported by the large volume. Unfortunately, as you can see from the volume chart, the volume was evenly spread across this movement, therefore we can't allocate any new volume level as on. Nevertheless, given the presence of the strong uptrend, we should consider exceptionally long positions with this instrument. We can enter the market after a smooth and slight downward correction in order to get a more profitable entry point. A stop loss should be placed below the beginning of this movement, and the potential of the deal is more than 150 pips. So with gold, long positions after a slight downward correction of the price. If we take a look at our sentiment, we can see that this indicator totally confirms all our trading scenarios today, which is a great additional signal, and it encourages us to trade more actively. For today it's all. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this forecast will be useful for you. Subscribe to our channel to stay in touch with the latest researches. Take care. Bye bye.